Hey everyone, I'm Willa and I'm on the customer experience team here at LOLA. Today I'm answering a question for Kate. Kate has a great question. She wants to know how to use a non-applicator tampon, which is something that we hear from our customers all the time. If you're not used to using a non-applicator tampon, it can take a little bit of getting used to, but with a little bit of practice, you'll be a pro. So what you want to do first is look for the uneven mark on the blue tape, and this piece can be recycled. Then pull the string down from the base of the tampon and make a couple circles, which will give you a better grip on the tampon when you're putting it in. Insert the tampon in the direction towards your back, about as far in as your forefinger. Remember to always use the lightest absorbency tampon possible and never wear a tampon for more than 8 hours to reduce the risk of TSS. And most importantly, you got this.